Hello there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to place an order on our online shop aimglobalproducts.com. So let's proceed. First is go to your browser and type in aimglobalproducts.com. Once you're there, you're going to be prompted with this one, just this dialog box.
It has 29
Just press
vitamins and
OK.
minerals.
You
From
can
vitamin
pause this
A.
video by clicking on the video. First thing you need to do is to change the currency according to your preference. But please be mindful that the shop is charging Australian dollar. Okay, just bear it in mind. The currency converter is just here to help you decide with your buying decision. Yeah, help you with your buying decision. For example, you want to see the price in Canadian dollar, for example. There we go. The currency is converted now to Canadian dollar, and all the prices are in Canadian dollar now. Okay. So let's say you want to look up this flagship product. You just have to click on it. If you have time, please click the link here.
Kanyang neurologist in a lifetime of that patient, he will
Automatically
always.
plays the video. We have to come back. Okay. You can read more about the product on the descriptions, and when you're ready to order, you can click this button here, which is add to cart, or you can click here. You can specify as well how many quantities of this product you want to place an order. Let's just say we put 2 boxes of this, and we click add to cart. It's now added in your cart, which is there. So you can see the quantity is 2, but maybe you change your mind and you want to add more. You just have to change that quantity and then click this button here, which is update, the update icon, and the quantity will be updated to 3. Okay. And you are considering to purchase other products, you should click this button here, continue shopping. For example, we want to buy another product in your cart. Let's just say you want to buy burn slim capsules, for example.
It has 29 vitamins and minerals. From
You click on the image, and then same thing, you update this. Is just say you buy 4 of these, say add to cart. Click add to cart, and success, you have added this quantity of burn slim capsules into your cart. Okay, again, if you want to change this, you can change this. Let's just say you want to change any of this. Say you want to change this to 3 as well. Yeah, and after changing the number, you have to click this update. Okay, so all in all, and you want to estimate the shipping taxes. Say for example, you want to ship it to Canada, for example. Let's go to Canada, and you want to go to your region, state, and whatever postcode you have there, and you have to click get quotes to estimate the shipping charges going to there. So it will give you the shipping charges. If you're okay with that, usually there's 2 options here, but in this case there's only 1 option. You have to click that option and apply shipping. Now you can see the the shipping is already included in the tally of your product. Yes, so those are the product costs, and the handling and packaging costs, and the shipping costs. That would bring you a total of this one. Say you you're happy with the price and you want to pay for your order or place an order, you have to click checkout. But if you want to add another product, you have to click the continue shopping here. So we click checkout if you want to start paying. Okay. If you are a returning customer in this website, you have to just log in with your details. But if this is your first time going into this website, you have to register an account first. So in here, if you're new, you have to click continue and you have to put in your details here. Yeah, and you can see who referred you to that website, to this website actually. And you have to bring in your password here. Type in your password here. And in this box, you just have to copy what's in here. Okay. In this case, it's 629 AB6. Okay. And if your delivery and billing address are the same, just leave it as it is. And just read the policy for our eshop site. And if you agree with it, you have to agree with it to continue actually. So you have to click this and then continue. Okay. I'm not gonna. Okay, I'll just do it then. Mm, put your email. You have to put your phone number. I'm in Australia, so I have to put in the country code is 61. Generate your password and just repeat just to make sure it's the correct password that you're typing in. All those with asterisk is mandatory. Those who haven't, who don't have, are optional. So you have put in your address, say street address. Name of your address is some street, just for an example, and then some suburb near city. Melbourne, so let's put Melbourne. Postcode. Oh, it's just assuming Canada. Okay, I'll just assume I'm in Canada. So let's just say uh, some city in Canada. Yeah, some city in Canada. Okay, when you're done, click continue. Okay. Say you wanna add some comments about your order. Okay. I don't know what do you want to put comment on your order. Maybe I'm sending it as a gift. Can you please say this message on the delivery? And then if you don't have any, just that's alright. Just click continue. So now you're on the payment method now. Um, the online shop can only accept Philippine peso or Australian dollar. Even though you converted the currency here in the online shop in the Canadian dollar, the actual checkout will be converted to either Philippine peso or Australian dollar. Okay. The currency converter is just there to help you with your buying decision. Okay. Add comments if you have one, and then don't forget to click this after agreeing with the purchase terms and conditions. You have to read it before actually clicking it. You can click it and a dialog box will open and you can read the terms and conditions like delivery of order, point of origin, shipping cost, time of delivery, and all that regarding cancellation of order, product refund buyback policy, all these things that can be important to you before you proceed checking out. But if you're happy with all that, click it, continue, and there you have all the summary of your order, and you just have to confirm your order, and that's about it. And you just have to pay on the next page. So if you have any questions about this, just leave a message and I will respond to it as soon as I can. Thank you very much.